Hello there. For this paper airplane project, we have made and tested more than 10 different designs. For example, we tested out the Suzanne, the glider, the rocket, the spear, the starflight, the bulldog, the hammer, the origami plane, the fast sparrow, the heavy-nosed plane, the canard plane, the sailor wing plane, the eagle eye, the F-15, the crosswing. Out of those planes we have tested, the best three were the Suzanne, the spear, and the starflight.
Airplane test flight.
Alright, so here I have the starflight in my hands, and there it goes.
There are many benefits that come with the Suzanne. The Suzanne can be built quickly and is not too challenging to construct. The Suzanne can fly long distances and long as it's accompanied by a good throw. It can fly with great accuracy if you have the correct measurements. The Suzanne is balanced and can be launched a few times without receiving any damage. The Suzanne is light and can glide at great speed. There are only a few weaknesses that arise with the Suzanne's design. The Suzanne is a plane made for high altitudes and gliding. Our school hallway is not very high, so we would need to lower our throw so the Suzanne does not hit the ceiling. If you make one super small mistake with the measurements, then it will be likely to be lacking in performance. You may also need to bend the wings a little, depending where you are throwing. Because our school hall is very narrow, the Suzanne usually flew into the wall and in the hallway.
This is the design for the Suzanne. Launch number 1. Hit it!
Hey, that's pretty good.